My passion is to breathe new life into old bikes. Like this machine here, a BMW R100. Looks great, but today it's getting the high-tech edge it needs. And for that, the bike needs a new brain, the M-Unit Blue from Moto-Gadget. The M-Unit Blue and the new mo.ride app really blew me away. The M-Unit Blue connects my bike directly to my smartphone and the mo.ride app. I always have an overview of all the data about my motorcycle. The current overview shows me the vehicle status in real time, taking into account all important information such as the mileage, parking position, fuel level, tire pressure, onboard voltage, and much more. The logbook contains all of my journeys, as well as any maintenance work, status messages, and alerts with a date and time. In the maintenance section, all my upcoming tasks are presented in a clear way and listed by priority. This is also where I have access to a large database containing parts of my vehicle that are subject to wear, such as the tires, brake pads, batteries, and many more items. The live view for the onboard power supply shows me the power usage of all the components on my vehicle. I can even adjust settings here too. And not only that, my bike starts keyless now. All I have to do now is twist the throttle. Best of all, the mo.ride app always provides an overview of my route, the number of corners I've taken, my top speed, and aspects relating to my fun factor after every ride. You don't just need it here, but up here as well. The mo.ride app from Moto-Gadget also works without hardware. Download it at the Google Play Store or Apple App Store now.